Post office. The most common means of individual communication today are post office and telephones. Post office is the most common and the cheapest means for sending and receiving messages. We can buy postcards, inland letters, envelopes, and postal stamps from a post office. From post office, we can not only send letters and parcels, but we can also send money order. Letters and parcels are carried by trains, buses, aeroplanes, and ships. They take a few days to reach the addressee. Today we have speed post and courier services for a speedy communication. Earlier, urgent written messages were sent through telegram from the telegrapher office. Now, this service has been stopped and abolished in India. Telephone. Telephone is the fastest means of oral communication. It carries human voice over the wires to long distances within and outside the country. We can talk to a person directly through subscriber trunk dialing (STD) in the country and international subscriber dialing (IST) in another country. Mass communication. There are times when we want to send messages to a large number of people at the same time. This is possible through newspaper, radio, and television. Newspapers, magazines, and books are important means of printed mass communication. They are cheaper means too. They carry news, views, and information about events all over the world. They also publish advertisements. But these means are useful for literate people only. Radio is a very popular means of mass communication. Apart from other valuable services, radio gives us news and entertainment. Even illiterate people can benefit from it and enjoy it. They have a great educational value too. Such programs are specially recorded and then telecasted. Television is yet another means of mass communication. It has an advantage over the radio. While we can simply hear on a radio, on the television we can see pictures too. Special programs are recorded and telecasted on it. Cinema is also a means of mass communication. It has great educational value besides entertainment. Fax, computer, and satellites. If we want to send the exact copy of a written document to someone, then we use a fax machine. It is also called facsimile, which means an exact copy, especially of written or printed material. Computer can handle many tasks in business, education, and communication. Email, electronic mail, take hardly a second to reach a message through computer to a person sitting distantly. A satellite is an object that orbits another object. In space, the moon is a natural satellite that orbits the Earth. Satellites are also made by human. Most human-made satellites orbit the Earth. The human-made satellites are used for many purposes, including information on weather, vegetation, minerals, groundwater, settlements, etc. It is also used for telecasting programs like live matches on television. Nowadays, satellites are also used in telephones in remote areas. In the modern age, means of communication have united the whole world. We can make immediate contact with any person in any part of the world.